You like Huey Lewis and the News?
They're okay.
Their early work was a little too new wave for my taste. But when Sports came out in '83, I think they really came into their own, commercially and artistically.
The whole album has a clear, crisp sound and a new sheen of consummate professionalism that really gives the songs a big boost. He's been compared to Elvis Costello, but I think Huey has a far more bitter, cynical sense of humor.
Hey, Albertstrom.
Yes, Alan?
Why are there copies of the Styles section all over the place? You have a dog? A little chow or something?
No, Alan.
Is that a raincoat?
Yes, it is. In '87, Huey released this, 4, the most accomplished album. I think their undisputed masterpiece is Hip to Be Square. A song so catchy, most people probably don't listen to the lyrics, but they should, because it's not just about the pleasures of conformity and the importance of trends, it's also a personal statement about the band itself. Hey, Paul!
Na zapadek na pero i nie każa bye bye. Reši da go projde tamo život od posaj. Pero stvarno stana pop, stvarno život od ufer. Od plošak tuga pero tamo stana milioner. Zver zaženi je se pravi salata i od popskata plata.